Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of immersive ambient lighting that promises to elevate your home entertainment experience to a whole new level. The Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip. Alright, let's get this unboxing started. Inside, you get the Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip, power adapter, mounting clips, and a quick guide. So, here it is, the Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip. This isn't just any LED strip, it's specifically designed to attach to the back of your TV and cast a beautiful, dynamic glow that mirrors the colors on your screen. The gradient part means it can display multiple colors across its length simultaneously, creating truly seamless transitions. For this review, I've installed it on my magnificent Sony A95L OLED TV, a perfect canvas for these vibrant lights. The goal is to extend the visual experience beyond the screen, drawing you deeper into the content. However, and this is a crucial point, to achieve that magical synchronization where the light strip reacts directly to what's happening on your TV screen, you'll need a couple of essential but unfortunately separately sold components. First, the Philips Hue Play HDMI Sync Box. This is the brain that analyzes the HDMI input from your devices and tells the lights what to do. And second, the Philips Hue Bridge Connection Bridge, which acts as the central hub for all your Hue lights. So, while the light strip itself is awesome, be prepared for a significant additional investment to unlock its full potential. We're talking about an entire ecosystem here, and it does come at a premium price. Once the light strip is physically attached, the next step is connecting it to the Hue Sync Box. This is where the magic really begins. You'll plug your HDMI devices, like your PS5, Apple TV, or Blu-ray player, into the Sync Box, and then connect the Sync Box to your TV. The crucial final step is adding everything into the Philips Hue app. This is where you configure your lights and, most importantly, create your entertainment areas within the Hue app. You'll navigate to Entertainment Areas. This is where you define how your lights interact with your TV content. You simply add your light strip and any other Hue lights you want to include in this immersive experience. For instance, I've created a few different spaces. Space 1, light strip only. Space 2, light strip plus 2 Hue lights. And Space 3, full immersion with 7 Hue lights. The app allows you to virtually position your lights within the entertainment area to accurately reflect their physical location in your room, ensuring the colors are projected from the correct direction. This level of customization is what makes the Hue system so powerful. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's see the Philips Hue Play Gradient Lightstrip in action. Gaming on the PlayStation 5 with the Hue Gradient Lightstrip is an absolute revelation. It adds a whole new dimension to your gameplay, pulling you deeper into the virtual world.
For me, it's got to be the 1997 Nissan Skyline GTR R33. Because hurry up, dude. Red list to wait for nobody. Wow.
Well, that will help.
So, what's the final word on the Philips Hue Gradient Lightstrip? If you're serious about creating the ultimate immersive entertainment space and you're willing to invest in the full Hue ecosystem with the Sync Box and Bridge, then this system is an absolute game changer. The way it extends the on-screen action into your room is truly captivating, whether you're watching movies or especially playing games on something like the Sony A95L. It's a premium experience, no doubt, and the cost of the full setup is significant. But for those seeking that next level of immersion, it delivers spectacularly. It transforms a passive viewing experience into an active, enveloping one. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Philips Hue Gradient Lightstrip. Do you use ambient lighting with your TV? What's your favorite smart home gadget? If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.